Welcome Cancer to my channel Tarot Queen 777. I'll be picking your cards for your relationship and your career from November 19th to November 30th. So let's begin. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Let's see what the oracle cards have to say. Oh, you've got two cards. Be honest and open yourself to love. Okay, have like heart to heart conversations with your loved ones, and you are secure. Know that you are safe to show your bear open your feelings and to express yourself. So let's pick three cards in the past, three cards in the present, three cards in the future, and the challenge, and then let's clarify each of those cards. Let's see what the cards have to say. You've got the Seven of Cups in the past, you've got the Seven of Swords, 7-7, and you have the Sun. In the present, you have sweet happiness. You have Knight of Swords and Six of Cups. In the future, you have the High Priestess, the Ten of Wands, and the Emperor. And your main challenge is the Nine of Wands. So, Cancer, it seems like you're unable to let your guard down. You're kind of protecting your heart from getting hurt. And you're scared of an overload of emotions and feelings. You'd rather keep your peace. You'd rather keep your stability than, venture into something more passionate. So, in the recent past, someone could have been dishonest. Maybe you were dishonest, or someone was dishonest, or someone tried to manipulate you. In the present, it seems like someone you've known for a very long time has come back into your life, or something like that. Some old connection is reigniting again. And in the future, you have the High Priestess, the Ten of Wands, and the Emperor. So there are a lot of secrets that you're not expressing. You're not really expressing yourself that much. You're kind of holding yourself back. And expect more control in the relationship. Let's clarify each of these cards. So the Nine of Wands is clarified by the King of Pentacles, the Sun, and the Hierophant. So you want to hold on to your traditional beliefs, things that work for you, and you know that they will always work for you. You don't want to do anything exciting or out of the box. You'd rather keep your normal, the way you normally react to people, that's the way you want to be. The Seven of Cups is clarified by the Three of Swords, the Eight of Swords, and the Five of Pentacles. Okay, so it seems like someone may have kind of moved away from you. Someone may have kind of silenced themselves, taken space, and you were really hurt by this. Someone may have sought to kind of distance themselves a little bit. The Seven of Swords is clarified by the Wheel of Fortune, the Ace of Cups, and the King of Wands. So expect a particular cycle to come to a close. Don't think that this silence is going to remain for a very long time. It is going to ignite again the yearnings of your heart. So yeah. And the Sun is clarified by the Knight of Swords, the Four of Cups, and the Ten of Swords. So expect a very painful cycle to come to an end. Okay, expect practical communication. The Knight of Swords is looking away from the Ten of Swords and the Four of Cups. So the thing is that, even though you feel a little defeated or a little bit of grief, you are unable to, be practical about it. The Knight of Swords is clarified by death, by the Page of Pentacles, and the Ace of Wands. So even though you're trying to manifest something, expect closure from past hurt. You will reach a sense of acceptance and realization about all the ways you've been hurt in the past. The Six of Cups is clarified by the Two of Wands, the Two of Swords, and the Fool. So a new kind of, even though there's a little bit of stress, a new kind of energy is entering your love life. A new, more innocent, more free energy is entering your love life. The High Priestess is clarified by the Knight of Wands, Emperor, and the Devil. You've got a lot of major arcana cards. Here itself, you can see three of them, Emperor, Devil, and High Priestess. You don't shy away from being blunt. You don't shy away from saying things as they are. And you don't shy, but right now in this coming 10 days, you're going to kind of hold yourself back from expressing everything that you normally would express. The Ten of Wands is clarified by the Lovers, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Five of Swords. Even though there might be some arguments, some fights, some disagreements with your person, there's definitely, good intentions from your person, the lovely intentions, good intentions from your person. And the Emperor is clarified by the Seven of Swords, the Two of Pentacles, and the Ten of Cups. So going forward, Cancer, you need to kind of bring about a kind of balance. You may even be stressed out. You may even, overthink things. You need to balance out the different aspects of your life for a more fulfilling, happy, reality in this connection. And what you have in the shadow is justice. So expect a karmic cycle to fructify. As whatever causes you have made in the past is going to come into fruition in the present. So that was all I have for your relationship, Cancer. Let's see what the cards have to say about your career. Let's see what the cards have to say about your career. We'll be picking 3 cards in the past, 3 cards in the present, and 3 cards in the future. Let's see what the cards have to say for Cancer for career. Let's see what the cards have to say for Cancer for career. Let's see what the cards have to say for Cancer for career. Okay, you've got the King of Cups, the Page of Cups. You've got the Two of Cups in the past. You've got the Four of Cups in the present, Three of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, the Moon in the future, Nine of Cups in the future, and Five of Wands. Okay, you're very passionate about what you do. You're very committed to your path. You're very, very, extremely passionate about what you do. Expect more collaboration to happen. Even there's like a certain kind of lack. Maybe you're not making enough money or you need more money in these coming 10 days. There's a little bit of scarcity mindset, a little bit of lack mindset. But expect to collaborate well with people. Going forward, there might be some anxiety. And there might be a unpalatable conversation as far as your career is concerned. Brace yourself for an unpalatable conversation, something you don't want to hear. And what you have in the shadow as far as your career is concerned is Wheel of Fortune. So you'll be lucky. You'll get lucky. Despite the arguments, despite the not seeing eye to eye, you'll get lucky this week. Let's see what the Gita cards have to say. You've got the Highest Yogi. So the thing is that your practice, whatever you do spiritually or whatever you do to keep yourself mentally grounded, is going to make you feel enlightened in these coming 10 days. You will feel a sense of peace, a sense of balance. So yeah, that's all I have for you, Cancer. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And if you want a more personalized reading, the details are in the description box. Thank you so much.